All right, the 10th annual Cathedral City International Hot Air Balloon Festival was set to take its final launch today. Hello, I'm Athena Gerage, but as News Channel 3's Tori King explains, that flight cut short by unfavorable weather conditions.
We don't want to hurt anybody, we don't want to damage our equipment, and too much wind is really bad.
The final launch for the 10th annual Cathedral City Hot Air Balloon Festival had to be scrapped because of unexpected weather.
If there were storms in the vicinity, downdrafts from them storms, even 50 miles away, could create problems, so we'd probably cancel a flight. It's very, very weather dependent.
Although the rest of the weekend's launches went off without a hitch, high winds made Sunday's flight a little too dangerous for anyone's comfort.
The balloons are as tall as the 6- and 7-story buildings, and they're 50 feet wide, so they're a giant sail.
According to the pilots, when it comes to ballooning, it's better to be safe than sorry.
If you press your luck, you're gonna end up making a huge mistake.
Sunday's event was held at the Westin Rancho Mirage early in the morning, and crowds showed up for the big event.
We went last year, but we saw some new ones that they had this year, a couple of Paw Patrol characters and things like that.
Despite the flight being canceled, attendees say that seeing the balloons in person was worth every minute.
We got some great photos, so yeah, I'm happy.
It's fun, like, drag people along, they can see the balloons and check it out, and then we can play games to guess what the balloons are going to be and everything.
If the weather is cool in Palm Springs, get outside, right?
Did you have a favorite balloon?
I would have to say Humpty Dumpty.
I like the chase one, honestly.
And as for the pilots, they're just happy to bring a smile to people's faces.
I've been doing it 32 years, and it's taken us to 24 countries and 40 to 50 U.S. states, so it's been good. It turned into more than I ever dreamed of. I went looking for a dime and found $1, you know.
In Rancho Mirage, Tori King, News Channel 3.